G'day, welcome to SU Midell. Well, these are an old favourite of ours, and we've done lots over the years. The BJ8 Healey 3000 carburetors, HD8 2-inch. These are a genuine set off a car, complete with original tags. So as you can see, when they come in, in the case of this set, they were in fairly poor condition, a lot of corrosion and pitting. We're able to correct a lot of it. Our polisher that we use does a fantastic job on the suction chambers, so he's able to get most of those marks out. And as always, the bodies have been rebushed, new shafts and discs, all the gaskets and seals, new main jets and needles, needle and seats, floats. We even take the time to pull all the slow run linkage out of them, and the choke rods and assemblies, pull that apart, replate everything back to original new condition, suction chamber screws, new plastic damper caps. As you see, these have come up pretty good considering the state they came in. I'm pretty sure the owner will be happy to see these come back and fit them back onto his car, which I believe is a full restoration, so these should really finish the engine bay off quite nicely. Look forward to talking to you soon. We'll have some more carburetors on our video to check out. Thanks for watching.